Hello, my name is Jalia Pettis and I'm a licensed beauty professional and educator. What I have for you today is a fall trend 2020 look. Regardless if you're wearing a mask or not, we're gonna focus on the eyes. So I'm gonna introduce you to my beautiful model, Lauren. Here we go. So I have my beautiful model, Lauren, here, and I've already prepped her skin. We've already added her foundation and powder and eyebrows. So just to completely even out the skin tone, we'll add a little bit of bronzer to her look once we get finished. So we're gonna dive right into her eyes. So the first thing that we're doing here is taking some of the burnt orange product and we're going to sweep it over the entire lid. We really want to concentrate this color across the lid really well, as this will be the foundation that we build the other colors into. Next, we'll take a brownish purple hue on the outer corner of the eye and sweep this into where we have brought the burnt orange, and then work it into the crease, blending the two together so that there is no separation and no stop or start in the color. All right, now we're gonna put a little bit of shimmer, just pop it right on top of the lid. We're gonna add some drop shadow underneath the lower lash line. Instead of directly adding liner to the eye, this is great for individuals that have a hard time keeping their eyes open when they're applying an eyeliner pencil. And then we're gonna take a lighter shade of the shimmer and sweep it underneath the brow bone. Not too much, a little goes a long way. And add a little bit of black eyeliner, gel black eyeliner on the top of the lid with an angled brush. Work in some mascara. And we're gonna brush this through the brows with the rest of the product we have left. Lastly, we have the lips. We're using a cooler tone on the lips, more in the mauve family, but incorporating a brown hue as the lip liner to kind of give a subtle ombre effect. Then we finish the skin off with a little bit of powder, bronzer in those cheekbones. And voila. All right, so we have finished up her look, and I want to dive a little bit deeper into what we've done. Go ahead and close your eyes for me. So again, this was an eye-focused look. So what I did was use a lot of warm tones on her skin. Now, the warm tones that you're seeing on the skin and the eyes are totally contrasting with the cooler tone that's on her lips, but that's okay. Use what works for your complexion, whether it's neutral, cool, or warm. What we've done here is added bronzes, oranges, and golden tones over her lid. And we've concentrated a lot of the shimmer right in the middle of the lid and underneath the brow bone. And then we've added a black liner over the top of the eye and then finished it with a black liner. Go ahead and open your eyes for me. We also did a little bit of a drop shadow in a dark brown, which is right underneath the eye here. And that helps to really bring out your eyes as well. You don't always have to do eyeliner. You can play with the shadows a little bit as well. So we hope you enjoyed this look. Thank you so much for being my model.